Gotta get the top off first. Ants.
You knew it was a problem out here.
Dang.
Yeah, that ain't working out too good.
Ooh, looky there.
I told you it's time. Is that the Supra?
Yep. They got, looks like about 5 frames in there full.
I told you they could do them in 2 weeks. We need to add more Supras. Damn, you hear them?
Oh no, they're just now. They ain't got it capped.
It's alright. That's the outer frame.
She's up there laying eggs in it too.
That's why you're supposed to keep her out.
No, this is theirs. Let her raise babies up here. Now that's honey. Almost full. Got a few babies. So she's up here laying eggs too. You got a few babies right there. You got honey.
I hate to see what that bottom frame looks like. We open up that, take that Supra off, we're gonna get just inundated with bees.
Okay.
Good job, guys.
They're about to got that one full almost.
Good job. They're doing good. You need to go buy us some Supras and put them on. You might get a little bit.
There's a little bit of honey, mostly eggs. She's up here laying. Got a little bit of eggs.
Is this one dead?
That's not a honeybee. Yeah, it is. It's a drone. Got babies.
It's a drone. Get your smoker. But I really don't like that smoke, huh?
So they're getting honey and they're laying eggs, so they almost got theirs full. Looks like to me they got about got a bunch of eggs in there, a little bit of honey. As soon as these are born, they'll start filling them up. Got eggs on that side. So she's up here laying, that's good.
Well, let's put a queen divider on and put another super in and see what they do.
Well, I ain't got no more, but we'll have to, yes. We'll have to do that
well,
here.
let's just go buy some. We're going to have to.
Alright, we'll go run to, we won't cut wood, we'll run over to,
They're all coming out to get us.
Alright, so these guys will have this full in probably about another 2 weeks. This frame ain't even touching yet.
That's alright. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they just keep moving up.
This frame right here, they ain't touching
They're
it.
broke.
They'll repair that though.
Take that dead bee out. Sorry, you'd rather have smoke than bees on you, right? Trying to keep them off you.
Alright, we'll pick this up and see what she's doing down on the bottom.
Oh no, are you serious? Oh shit. Oh shit. This is a big hive.
Yeah. She ain't laying down here. She's up our laying.
That's brood.
Yeah. Not much. There's a little bit there.
Pollen. Go to sleep, little baby. Go to sleep. Oh my God, they're gonna get us.
Well, she's quit laying down here. She's moved up. She's got a few laying down here.
There's a peanut.
So this hive's a real good hive here. Yeah, yeah.
New baby's getting ready to go.
She's laying real good pattern on here. Alright, so she's doing good. I don't need to check anymore, I don't think.
No, put her back together. We might get a little bit of honey this year.
Yeah, we might get one off of this one. Let me see it here.